Recently, Global Hunger Index 2021 report was released. It was published by Concerned Worldwide and World Hunger Hive. These two organizations jointly published the report Global Hunger Index. It is an annual report published every year in the month of October. To know about the Global Hunger Index, it is designed to comprehensively measure and track the hunger at the global level, at the regional level, and at national level. And it is calculated based on the four indicators. What are those four indicators? First one, undernourishment. It means share of population with insufficient caloric intake. For this indicator, entire population is taken into consideration, that is both adult and child. Second indicator is child wasting. It means share of population under the age of 5 who are wasted, that is low weight for height. Third indicator is child stunting, that is share of children under the age of 5 who are stunted, low height for their age. These two indicators comes under child undernutrition. Final indicator is child mortality, that is mortality rate of children under the age of 5. These are the four indicators which is considered under the Global Hunger Index. With respect to the data collection about this four indicator, these two organizations depends on various organizations. For example, undernourishment data is sourced from FAO, that is for Food and Agriculture Organization. With regard to the data regarding child mortality rate, it depends on UN Interagency Group for Child Mortality Estimation. And wasting and stunting data is collected from the joint database of UNICEF, WHO and World Bank. Based on the value of four indicators, Global Hunger Index determines hunger on the 100-point scale, in which 0 represents best score, that means no hunger, and 100 represents worst score. Looking into position of India with respect to 2021 report, India was at 101 position among 116 countries. With a score of 27.5, India was placed in the position of serious category. There are 5 categories: low hunger, moderate, serious, alarming, extremely alarming. In the year 2020, India was at 94th position. Now it is slipped to 101 position. This picture shows the score of India in GHI. If you look at it, since 2000 until 2021 year, it is in decreasing trend. This graph shows the value of all four indicators with respect to India. Among the four indicators, that is proportion of undernourished and the under 5 mortality rate is at relatively low level. With respect to stunting, it shows the significant decrease. But there is a great concern with respect to the prevalence of wasting in children under 5 years. Because the report stated that with 17.3%, India has the highest child wasting rate of all the countries which was considered for the assessment. Overall, India was placed behind most of its neighbors, that is Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. According to the report, only 15 countries far worse than India. With regard to this report, statement was issued by Ministry of Women and Child Development. It criticized the report, claiming that methodology used by FAO is unscientific, as their assessment result is based on 4-question poll. It stated that Global Hunger Index 2021 report has lowered the rank of India on the basis of FAO estimate on proportion of undernourished population, which is found to be devoid of ground reality. Facts suffer from serious methodological issue because Their assessment is based on the 4-question opinion poll. The ministry also stated that the report completely disregarded the government's massive effort to ensure food security of entire population during COVID period through various programs like Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana, Atmanirbhar Bharat, etc. Looking into global scenario, the report has stated the few messages. The fight against hunger is dangerously off track, stating that 47 countries in particular failed to achieve low level of hunger by 2030. The aspects such as conflict, weather extreme associated with global climate change, economic and health challenge associated with COVID-19 pandemic is all driving hunger. After decades of decline, the global prevalence of undernourishment is increasing. Africa, south of Sahara, South Asia are the region where hunger levels are highest. Most of the countries suffer from serious hunger. According to the report, hunger is extremely alarming in one country, that is Somalia. Alarming in 9 countries and serious in 37 countries. Finally, it stated that inequality between region, countries, district, communities is pervasive. If left unchecked, will keep the world from achieving the Sustainable Development Goal mandate to leave no one behind. That is zero hunger by 2030. Thank you.